All right, guys, I'm here to show you how to get over 60 grams of protein. This breakfast is gonna be, this meal, not just breakfast, is gonna be perfect for a keto diet, but you can also tweak it a little bit if you're trying to bulk or you just like carbs. I'm gonna show you how to tweak it a little bit, but it's only gonna be 3 ingredients. We're getting over 60 grams of protein, getting our healthy fats, and no carbs in this one. So check this one out. All right, guys, so I keep eating this meal. It's so good, all right? If you're keto, this is perfect. 3 ingredients, you're gonna knock it out, all right? If you're not keto, I'm gonna show you what to do to, man, just make it taste so good. This just tastes, it's almost too easy, okay? Now, first ingredient, the main ingredient is gonna be chicken thighs, okay? Go with the chicken thighs, a lot more flavor, plus they have more fat in them, okay? Keto, perfect for keto, all right? I'm gonna go with 8 ounces of chicken thighs, all right? They're so easy to cook. So all you gotta do, I'm just gonna use some salt and pepper. You can use whatever kind of seasoning you want to, but salt and pepper is all I'm using on these chicken thighs, so check these out. Next most important ingredient is gonna be eggs. So simple, eggs. I'm using 3 whole eggs, all right? If you're trying to keep it lower fat, then you can go with egg whites, but I'm going full eggs, all 3 of them. I'm gonna mix those in with the chicken thighs, all right? And man, I'm telling you, it's gonna taste so good. It's almost too easy, right? It's so good. I've had this a few times already. Chicken thighs are cooked fine on their own, but what you can use to give it some more flavor, it also adds a little bit of fat, but it's the healthy fats, okay? You can use a little bit of butter, all right? A little bit of butter, like maybe a tablespoon of butter. Cook the eggs in. You can even split it up, cook the chicken in half, cook the eggs in the other half. If you don't want to go with butter, use like a spray butter so it doesn't stick all to the pan and everything, but I would highly recommend butter because, man, that flavor it gives it, plus the chicken thighs already have so much flavor. Eggs are just great, okay? Add a little butter in there, a little salt and pepper. You got it going, all right? Now, if you don't want to use butter, I like to use avocado oil. This is the one that I use. 1 tablespoon is gonna get you an extra 14 grams of fat, all right? For 120 calories, you can't beat it. Cook your chicken in this. 1 tablespoon, measure out 1 tablespoon, cook your chicken and your eggs in this. Man, it just gives it a lot of flavor. Avocado oil, man, just tastes so good. The flavor it gives it, it's just great. All right, 1 tablespoon of this, or just pick out your favorite olive oil. Go ahead, just pick out your favorite one, whichever one it is, doesn't matter. All right, 1 tablespoon of this is gonna get you 14 grams of fat, right? 14 grams of fat plus your chicken thighs plus your eggs. So all this together is a way to get, like I said, I'm gonna use 8 ounces of chicken thighs. Man, I'm getting so hungry right now. I've been having this a lot. It's gonna give me over 60 grams of protein in 1 meal, 3 ingredients, okay? Really 2 main ingredients and however you wanna cook it. You don't have to use the oils, you don't have to use the butters, you can use spray if you want. If you're really worried about the calories or the fats or something like that, use some spray, use something though, so it doesn't stick to that pan, all right? If you're kind of like maybe bulking a little bit, but you're trying to maybe gain a little bit of weight, or for you want to put on some muscle or something like that, then what I would highly recommend is you keep these in stock right here, all right? This is the jasmine rice. This is one of the best ones I've had. This Ben's Original, man, it goes in the microwave for 9. This goes in the microwave for 90 seconds. It can't be any easier than that, all right? 90 seconds, what I usually use is half of this bag, mixed in with the chicken, mixed in with the eggs. It just tastes amazing, okay? You need to give it a shot, all right? Keep these in stock. They're so easy, for a lot of meals. If you're having rice with your meals, use this, okay? Man, it tastes so good. This jasmine tastes great, all right? So keep these in stock if you don't mind the carbs, because it will taste amazing, okay? Especially if you're trying to bulk, use this with the chicken thighs and it'll set you straight, all right? Now, remember, if you're keto, don't worry about that, all right? You're just gonna have the chicken thighs, you're gonna have the eggs, and you're gonna have some oil and some butter, whatever you wanna cook it in, a little salt and pepper. If you want to, you can add some hot sauce, however you wanna kick it up. But man, I'm telling you, just this right here, I've had it for dinner, I've had it for breakfast, I've had it for lunch. It's just so good, all right? It's gonna give you over 60 grams of protein in 1 meal with only a few ingredients, and it's super easy to cook, super quick. Come on now, you can't beat that. Let's go home with cooking, man. I'm starving, let's go. All right, guys, I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking up the chicken thighs. Remember, I got 8 ounces of chicken thighs and 3 eggs. All right, this meal is gonna get me 61 grams of protein. Just so easy, man, it's so good. I've had it a couple times already. You can have it for breakfast, lunch. I've even had it for dinner. So check this out. Let me show you what's cooking real quick. All right, guys, here's the chicken thighs. Boy, them jokers just cooking up. Look at that. You cannot beat that. 8 ounces chicken thighs. I just show you the seasonings. I just used some black pepper, a little Tony Chachere's, spice it up, and a little pink Himalayan sea salt. And then I also use the avocado oil I was talking about, 1 tablespoon of this. Put it in that, cook it up. Let's go. Over here, we got the 3 eggs cooking, looking good. I'm about to scramble them jokers up. You don't have to scramble them if you don't want to. Just eat them like that if you want. I'm about to scramble them up, and let me show you what we got here. All right, guys, here it is. Look at that. Man, you cannot beat this. We're coming in at 577 calories, 62 grams of protein, 35 grams of fat, and 0 carbs. Keto, I got you covered. Look at that. Man, I'm talking 8 ounces of chicken thighs, 3 whole eggs. Season it however you want to. This tastes amazing. I've had it so many times already. I got to keep these chicken thighs in stock, man, because they're so good. Now, remember, if you're not keto, then you can also add in the rice. Put that rice in the microwave for 90 seconds. Add half of that bag. I'll tell you what, man, you chop up all this, mix it in with the eggs, you got your big old bowl of goodness if you're down with the carbs, all right? If you're carb free, if you're keto, go with this, man. 35 grams of fat and 62 grams of protein. You can't beat that, man. You're almost there on your protein goals, okay? And you know you need to get them fats on keto. So definitely check this out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried something like this, if you eat something like this, or if you're gonna try it, let me know, because man, it tastes so good. I've just been on this chicken thigh kick. Whenever I'm trying to lean out a little bit, I usually try to keep it just chicken breast. The problem with chicken breast is, I mean, it's just they're kind of dry, right? So you really got to season them properly. However, those chicken thighs, man, you can just put them in there. Like I said, cook them in butter or cook them in that avocado oil. The avocado oil adds about 14 grams of fat, all right? 1 tablespoon, make sure you measure it out. Don't just dump that whole joker on there. You'll think, oh, I measured out 1 tablespoon. You start dumping on there, it's 2-3 tablespoons. Your fat is way up there, okay? So make sure you're measuring everything out. Make sure you're tracking everything. I always say that. I can't say that enough. Make sure you're tracking everything, okay? If you ain't tracking, you're slacking. So try this out. I'm about to eat this right now. Man, it tastes so good. Like I said, that's why I had to go to the store and buy some more ingredients, because I've been eating this so much. Check it out. You can have it breakfast, lunch, dinner. You're gonna eat this and you're gonna feel good. All right, you're not gonna feel, oh, I'm so full, I need to go take a nap. You're actually gonna have a lot of energy. I'm telling you, check this one out, okay? Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this one. I'll be back next time with another meal, but for right now, man, I'm about to eat this one. Let's go. Remember, 3 ingredients, you can't beat that. Let's go.